Broccoli, the nutrient-packed superstar of the vegetable world. Welcome to another exciting episode of Garden Gourmet, where we explore the world of delicious and nutritious food straight from the garden to your plate. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the vibrant and verdant world of broccoli, a true superstar of the vegetable kingdom. From its physical characteristics to its culinary versatility and myriad health benefits, we'll leave no floret unturned in our quest to uncover the wonders of this cruciferous gem. Before we begin our video, I kindly request you to consider subscribing to Healthism. Subscribing to our channel won't cost you anything, but it would mean the world to us and bring tremendous benefits to our community. Your support is invaluable, and together, we can make a positive impact. Thank you for understanding the importance of your subscription. Let's start with the way broccoli looks. Broccoli belongs to the Brassica family, which includes other popular veggies like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. At first glance, broccoli is instantly recognizable by its distinctive appearance. It features a central stem, which can range from thin and tender to thick and robust, depending on the variety. From this stem, numerous small florets branch out, creating a striking, almost fractal-like pattern. These florets, often referred to as miniature trees, are densely packed and typically have a dark green hue, though there are also purple and white varieties. One of the unique characteristics of broccoli is its leaves. Unlike some other vegetables where the leaves are discarded, broccoli leaves are entirely edible and share a flavor profile similar to that of collard greens or kale. These leaves often attach to the stem and provide an extra layer of texture and flavor complexity when cooked or added to salads. Broccoli's story is one of ancient cultivation and culinary evolution. Its origins can be traced back to the Mediterranean region, where it is believed to have been cultivated for over 2,000 years. The word broccoli is derived from the Italian word broccolo, meaning cabbage sprout or shoot. Initially, broccoli had different forms and was primarily grown for its flowering head, rather than the compact florets we are familiar with today. Broccoli's cultivation can be linked to the Roman Empire. The Romans prized it for its flavor and believed it to have various health benefits. They cultivated different varieties, including one with a flowering head and another with more recognizable branching heads. Interestingly, they preferred to eat the stalks and considered the heads to be somewhat undesirable. Broccoli gradually spread across Europe through trade and cultivation. It made its way to France in the 16th century, where it gained popularity in the royal courts. In the 18th century, broccoli made its way to England and was eventually brought to the United States by Italian immigrants in the early 20th century. Throughout history, broccoli has made its mark on various cuisines worldwide. It's valued not only for its taste but also for its potential health benefits. In recent years, it has gained prominence as a health-conscious choice, making its way into diets aimed at promoting longevity and well-being. Its adaptability in a wide range of recipes has cemented its status as a beloved vegetable in kitchens globally. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that not only delights the taste buds but also offers an array of health benefits. From its captivating appearance to its versatility in the kitchen, broccoli is a vegetable that deserves a prominent place on your plate. So, next time you're at the grocery store or harvesting from your own garden, don't forget to pick up some broccoli and unlock its full potential in your culinary adventures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, you'll find that broccoli is indeed a green treasure waiting to be discovered and enjoyed. Now, let's talk about the flavor and texture of broccoli. When eaten raw, broccoli offers a satisfying crunch and a mildly bitter taste with subtle nutty undertones. However, the flavor profile transforms when subjected to various cooking methods. Cooking brings out the vegetable's natural sweetness while mellowing the bitterness, making it a favorite among both kids and adults alike. When properly prepared, broccoli maintains a tender crisp texture that adds a delightful contrast to many dishes. What truly sets broccoli apart from the crowd are its exceptional nutritional benefits. This veggie powerhouse is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to its well-deserved reputation as a superfood. Broccoli is a rich source of vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties, as well as vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. It also provides a healthy dose of vitamin A and folate, which is essential for cell division and the formation of DNA. Broccoli contains potassium, which plays a role in regulating blood pressure, and it's a good source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a sense of fullness. This cruciferous wonder is particularly abundant in sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that has garnered attention for its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies have suggested that sulforaphane may help combat inflammation, detoxify the body, and even protect against certain types of cancer. Beyond its culinary uses, broccoli has a history of being used for medicinal purposes, owing to its rich nutritional content and potential health benefits. Perhaps one of the most well-known health benefits of broccoli is its potential to reduce the risk of certain cancers. Broccoli is a rich source of sulforaphane, a compound with powerful antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that sulforaphane may help combat cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting their destruction. It's particularly associated with reducing the risk of prostate, breast, and colon cancers. Broccoli contains anti-inflammatory compounds, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. The high fiber content in broccoli can contribute to heart health by helping to reduce cholesterol levels. Additionally, the vegetable's potassium content can assist in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Broccoli is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and can prevent constipation. It also contains glucosinolates, compounds that support digestive health. Broccoli is rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. It is also a source of calcium and magnesium, both essential for maintaining strong bones. The high vitamin C content in broccoli can boost the immune system by supporting the production of white blood cells and promoting overall immune function. Broccoli's journey from ancient Mediterranean cultivation to its esteemed status in modern cuisine is a testament to its enduring appeal. Beyond its delicious taste and culinary versatility, broccoli's rich history and medicinal uses make it a vegetable with a profound impact on our health and well-being. Whether you savor it in a salad, stir-fry, or soup, or you incorporate it into your diet for its potential health benefits, broccoli remains a green treasure that continues to thrive and flourish in gardens and kitchens worldwide. Its story is a reminder that the culinary and medicinal worlds often intersect, offering us both pleasure and wellness on the same plate. Now, let's explore the culinary world of broccoli. Its versatility makes it a go-to ingredient for a wide range of dishes. Some common cooking methods include steaming, blanching, roasting, stir-frying, and even grilling. Here are a few ideas to get your creative culinary juices flowing. 1. Roasted broccoli. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, garlic, and a pinch of salt, then roast them in the oven until they become tender and slightly caramelized. 2. Broccoli and cheese. Broccoli pairs wonderfully with cheese, and you can use it in casseroles, quiches, or simply steamed and topped with a cheesy sauce. 3. Stir-fry. Add broccoli to your favorite stir-fry recipes for a burst of color and nutrition. Its quick cooking nature makes it a perfect addition to stir-fries. 4. Raw in salads. Broccoli can be grated or finely chopped and added to salads for an extra crunch and a boost of nutrients. It pairs exceptionally well with tangy dressings and citrus fruits. 5. Creamy soups. Puree steamed broccoli with vegetable broth and other veggies to create a creamy and nutritious soup. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of broccoli. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting episodes of Garden Gourmet, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty adventure in the world of food. Until next time, happy cooking!